Hey everyone, if Logseq search is not working, returning incomplete results, finding the wrong pages, or showing no results at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq search problems in 2026. First, make sure the content you're searching for actually exists in your graph. Try searching for a unique page title, keyword, or phrase that you know is present in your notes. Next, restart Logseq and perform the search again. Temporary indexing or application glitches can sometimes affect search functionality. Another common fix is allowing Logseq time to finish indexing your graph. If you've recently added a large number of notes, imported files, or synced data from another device, search results may not appear immediately. Make sure you're using the latest version of Logseq. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements related to indexing, performance, and search accuracy. If search results seem incomplete, try using different keywords or shorter search phrases. Exact matches and unique terms often produce more reliable results. You should also verify that the correct graph is open. Many users work with multiple graphs and accidentally search within the wrong workspace, and that's how to fix Logseq search not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating Logseq, allowing indexing to complete, checking synchronization, and disabling problematic plugins will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.